In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive in dark mode on desktop. If you work late, prefer a dimmer interface, or just want your apps to match a darker theme across your computer, switching Google Drive to dark mode can make browsing your files more comfortable and reduce glare. Start on any Google page in your web browser. Look to the top right corner and locate the Google Apps button. It's the small grid of dots that opens Google's App Launcher. Click that grid to open the panel of available Google services. From there, select Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive, where you can see your folders and files. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. Once Drive is open, move again to the top right corner of the page and find the gear icon. The gear is your gateway to all of Drive's preferences. Click the gear and a small menu will appear. Choose Settings from that menu to open the full Settings panel. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Appearance. This is where Google Drive lets you control its visual theme. Click Appearance, and you'll see options that include Dark. Select Dark to apply the theme. The change should take effect right away, shifting backgrounds and menus to a darker look while keeping text readable and high contrast. This makes it easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments, and can help your display feel consistent if the rest of your system uses a dark theme. After you select Dark, you can simply close the Settings window. Your choice is saved automatically, and you can continue working with a darker, more comfortable interface. If you ever want to return to the original look, just go back to the gear icon, open Settings again, and switch Appearance back to Light or your device's default. It's the same simple path, and you can change it whenever you like. A quick note: this setting applies to Google Drive in your current browser. If you use multiple browsers or devices, set it up in each place where you want dark mode. Also, because the change is immediate, you don't need to restart your browser or reload your files. Just pick the theme and keep working. That's all there is to it. With only a few clicks, Google Apps, Drive, the gear icon, Settings, and Appearance set to dark. You've customized Google Drive to be easier on the eyes and better suited to your workspace.